everybody, today we came to the dormitory 29 in nearest university. A look at the conditions that students have. First of all, I would like to show you the view. Oh my god, it's paradise. Imagine guys, you like study and you see the mountains. It's amazing, so beautiful. Balcony, let's say. Table, when we study here, have your breakfast, for instance, the two big sofas and one small. Also there is kitchen area, the sink, you can cook here, microwave, a lot of space, so you will put your stuff here. So there is a fridge, bedroom. There are two small beds. If you would like to stay here as a single, just connect these two beds and live alone. Also there is a wardrobe, you put your clothes, study area. So you will come here and get ready for your exams. Really, I love it guys, to be honest, it has amazing view. It's located inside of the campus. It's so convenient, walking distance, you will reach your faculty. And let's go to the bathroom.
Guys, if you want to study in North Cyprus, you may always contact me and I will help you with the whole process. With admission process, visa process, dormitory booking is free because I'm official representative of universities of North Cyprus. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye, see you in Cyprus.